So again, we're here in the kitchen. One thing, when we talk about floor tile, I talked about mosaic tile being a great, easy DIY project for the walls. For the floor, there is a brand new product out that I wanted to show you. It's called Revo Tile. But before I do that, I wanted to show you guys exactly what this design mosaic tool looks like. So again, if you're just joining us, an example of a beautiful mosaic is right here behind me. This is a custom mosaic that I designed from scratch. But I did it with the help of Daltile's mosaic tool. So if you actually go, I'm gonna actually go back to daltile.com just so you can see it. So if you go to daltile.com, right here, and you go to Trend Hub, which is the second link, and then scroll right over here to Mosaic Design Tool. You come here, and this is so awesome. This is the tool we've all been waiting for. So if you're a designer, if you're a homeowner, this is a really, really awesome thing. Because what it does is you can begin designing. I'm gonna say that I'm gonna do a wall. And I'm gonna say, I'm gonna do something that's about 150 square feet. Now immediately what it does is it propagates all of our different options. So again, that's 1 by 1, hexagon, penny rounds, half hex, all of these. I happen to love this shamrock half hex. I'm gonna pick this and look immediately what it allows us to do. So we can pick our scenario here, but then start to pick colors and customize exactly our combination, which is really nice. Now, once you have this and once you have kind of visualized what it is, you can submit this. Daltile will create this for you and be able to ship you this exact mosaic tile for you to install anywhere in your house.